As you watch this, imagine your students stepping into art, not just looking at it, but walking through it. That's the power of 3D environments. It transforms learning. They're not just reading about Hokusai, they're standing in front of that towering wave, feeling the motion, the moment, like stepping into history. With a single click, they teleport to Maxfield Parish's glowing dreamscapes, bathed in golden light and that unforgettable parish blue. Then bam! Jean-Michel Basquiat. His art doesn't whisper, it shouts, raw, rhythmic, alive with energy. In 3D, his voice practically echoes off the walls. From there, it's a cosmic leap to Peter Max's psychedelic universe, bright colors, swirling space, and pop culture magic. His work wasn't just art, it was everywhere. Then comes Frida Kahlo, fierce, fearless, painting her truth with every brushstroke. In 3D, her spirit surrounds you. And finally, the elegance of Erte, master of Art Deco. His figures don't pose, they perform, draped in flowing fantasy and timeless style. And those pieces you just saw on the right, generated with ChatGPT. Every exhibit is a portal. This is where technology meets imagination. This is how we bring art alive.